So the first sale of 2026 is right here. The Great Republic Day sale is about to begin on Amazon, and here's what you can expect on Gizmobeep. You'll be getting to watch a series of videos wherein I cover the most important and most useful car gadgets and accessories. Along with it, I'm going to cover the most important dash cameras, top 20 dash cameras coming under the 20,000 price segment. Yes, this is a 2020 video wherein you get the best of what's available within 20k. Along with it, you'd also get to see some important 4K dash cameras. Now, most people do prefer to get 4K dash cams, so I'll be bringing up a video showcasing all the important 4K dash cameras that are available out there, along with the fact that a complete breakdown or a complete overview of the best dash cameras in 2026. I recently uploaded that video as well, so of course you can go ahead and watch that too. So in case if you have any doubts or queries, in case if you need any recommendations regarding any dash cameras or any car gadgets and accessories for that matter, make sure to comment down on any of my videos including this, and you'll be able to contact me and I'll be able to help you and provide you a purchase link for any one of the things which you might want to buy. That being said, this is the best opportunity for you to go ahead and grab yourself the best gadgets, the best accessories, the best dash cameras with biggest savings. I think you can grab some big discounts on credit cards including SBI. So do not waste this opportunity. Go ahead and grab your favorite gadgets, your favorite dash cams, and make sure that you stay tuned to Gizmobeep. Let the celebration begin.